Alright, my DG1 Home arrived. Let's go. Damn. Pretty nice. Oh, that's annoying. Woo. Look at that. Let me put it. Oh. Looks kind of nice. Little user manual. Alright, time to get it set up. Alright, we just fired it up. I'm actually using a SmartPlug here, so I can just turn it on and off remotely. Air is blowing from here. Okay, this thing took a really long time to start up, but it is finally hashing. It's definitely running now. Air's pretty warm coming out of here, but oh my goodness, it took a really long time to start. After I put in the pool address, you have to literally just let it sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes. So, well, I just keep letting it run because it finally is showing something. Alright, it's been running for some time now, and yeah, this thing is really silent. I'm gonna let you take a listen here. It does not come with an antenna, but I actually had some extra Wi-Fi antennas from some of my other old PC motherboards. And yeah, you can just go ahead and screw any Wi-Fi antenna. But this thing does not make a lot of noise.